In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store theme. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to explore your options, and how to safely try a new look without affecting your live storefront until you're ready. First, head to your Shopify admin and open the section where your storefront design lives. Look for Online Store in the sidebar. This is your home base for everything related to themes, the current theme you're using, any drafts you're experimenting with, and tools to manage or customize them. Opening this area gives you a clear view of what's active now and what you can test behind the scenes. From there, choose Visit Theme Store. This takes you directly to Shopify's official theme store, where every theme is vetted for quality, performance, and security. It's the safest place to find designs that follow Shopify's standards and are kept up to date. Inside the store, you'll see options to browse free or paid themes. Free themes are a great way to get started quickly without a budget, and they're built and supported by Shopify. Paid themes offer more specialized layouts, advanced features, and dedicated developer support, which can be valuable if you want a very polished, niche design. Pick the path that aligns with your needs and budget. Now take your time to browse through the themes. Use filters for your industry, catalog size, and key features like product filtering, video support, or a mega menu. Open a themes page to explore its styles, read the description, and check the feature list. Click through the demo store to see how collections, product pages, and the checkout flow look on both desktop and mobile. Skim reviews to learn how other merchants rate performance and support. Also check for features like sections everywhere, speed optimizations, and accessibility best practices. If you rely on specific apps, look for notes about compatibility or app blocks. Think about your brand visuals, typography, image emphasis, and the balance between simplicity and flexibility, so the theme helps rather than fights your content. When you find one you like, click Try Theme. This adds a trial version to your theme library without changing your live site. You can preview it privately, customize sections, and see how your own products, pages, and navigation look in context. Test on mobile and desktop, and keep an eye on load speed as you switch images and layouts. Because it's only a trial, you can explore confidently, compare a few options, and decide which design best showcases your brand and supports a smooth shopping experience.